Since FIFA World Cup 2026 finals is finally approaching, tara, let's unbox this FIFA World Cup 2026 Squishmallows and of course, the FIFA World Cup. Hello, highlighters! It's another unboxing and chismisan time with Leo. So for today's video, I'm going to show you lang the closer look of the Squishmallows and the FIFA World Cup. So konting chismisan lang about this one at medyo nahuli na kasi tayo. And of course, we're going to access the QR code na meron sa Squishmallows. So maglalaro ulit tayo. So first cup. So here's David Beckham. Yan, representing England. Yan. By the way, it's made out of hard plastic. So, it's best used for your regular drinks, di ba? And nakita niyo ba yung Easter egg dito sa cup na to? Since nandito si Ronald McDonald. So, hanapin natin siya in each cup kung meron or nandun siya. Okay? And next cup, here's Ronaldinho Gaucho representing Brazil. So, hanapin lang natin si McDonald's dito kung nandito. Or, I mean, si Ronald McDonald, I think wala. Hindi siya nagpakita dito. Or nakatago lang. By the way, to avail this, you just need to purchase, wait, tingin ako sa cup the FIFA World Cup meal, which consists of nuggets and the root beer na A&W. Actually, fave ko yun, yung A&W na yun. Buti na lang nilabasan ng McDonald's and hopefully, regular na sa drinks, diba, na choices. Wala pero meron lang dito na bag ng McDonald's. Anyway, let's move on and proceed on the next cup. So here's Thierry Henry. Yan. Thierry or Thierry Henry. Wait, representing what country nga ba? Kalimutan ko. France. Yan. So, may kodigo kasi ako dito. Yan, okay? So, here's Thierry Henry Cup. Or Henry na lang. Sige, para hindi tayo malito. So, for this one, wala si Ronald McDonald, but andito si Hamburglar. Uy! Sana na lang na meron rin si Hamburglar, si Birdie, or si Ronald McDonald na sariling cup, no? So, down with the last 3 cup. So, next one is my second fave from the set. Here's San Heung-min. Yan, Sang Heung-min from South Korea. Yan. Uy. Actually, may kwento lang ako dito kasi meron dito sa Makati Avenue na computer shop. Then, ang tagal ko nakatingin kasi nagbabayad ako ng dun sa cashier. Kasi mag-avail ako actually ng 1 hour for the BTS ticket and unfortunately wala rin nakita. Pero na-happy ako kasi meron poster doon si San Heung-min, which is this one, na sign. At ang cool. So, yun lang naman yung ko, di ba? And actually yan, my top 2 fave sa cup na to. So, wala siya si Ronald McDonald or si Grimace, but meron naman logo na McDonald's. Yan. Okay? Ang cool lang. Actually, fave. Fan kasi ako ng mga K-pop. And last 2, yan. Of course, here's Lamine Yamal from representing Spain, which is one of the finalists. Then versus kay Argentina this coming July 20. So, sino kayo mananalo? Pero for sure, or malakas kutob ko na Spain yung kayo highlighters. So, yan. Here's Yamal. Yan, Lamine Yamal. So, let's check kung meron dito or nandito si Birdie or si Ronald McDonald or si Hamburglar. Uy, wala. But of course, meron logo ng McDonald's, diba? Yan. And last but not the least, of course, the one who represents McDonald's, it's Grimace. Yan. Diba? So, ang cool nung FIFA World Cup na ball. And it's Grimace, diba? Ang floppy niya. I mean, flock yung letters niya. And of course, andito rin si Ronald McDonald na katalikod. Alam ko nandito si Birdie pero guni-guni ko lang yun. Hala, saan nga ba si Birdie? Pero parang napansin ko si Birdie or guni-guni ko nga lang. Anyway, for this one, feature ko na lahat na meron sa Philippines and we're still missing 3 kasi 9 worldwide. At i-flash na lang sa screen yung 3 kulang natin. But, so here's Santiago Jimenez representing Mexico. Alfonso Davies representing Canada, and lastly, Christian Pulisic representing US. And that's the 3 cup na wala tayo. And highlighters, correct me if I'm wrong. Kung mali ako ng pronunciation, please kindly comment down below na lang. Ayun. And we're done with the cups and let's proceed na sa Squish Squishmallows. Hindi ko naalisin yung I mean, hindi ko naibahin yung view ng camera. So, ganito na lang. Yan. So, maumay kayo sa mukha ko. And para naman nakikita niyo yung facial reaction ko, di ba? And kasi hindi ko na naman i-assemble at natanggal ko na sa box. Okay? So, let's first start with the mascot Zayu. Wala siya sa Philippines at nakuha ko sa friend ko from UAE, which is Sir Mel Aquino. At matatagpuan niyo siya. Matatagpuan. Yan, you can chat him sa Happy Meal Toys PH, which is ako yung admin doon. And minsan nagsasell siya na wala dito sa Pilipinas na toys. Yan. So, yan, may idea na kayo. So, here's Zayu, the ano nga ba siya? Jaguar. Yan. So, here's the toy. Yan. So, niremove ko na sa box para mabilis tayo. Here's Zayu, a Jaguar, representing Mexico. So, yan. Here's a closer look. Of course, ayun yung QR code na sinasabi ko. And meron siyang tag. Yan. And let's compare kung same lang naman siya na sa ni-release sa Philippines. So, again, it's a squishy plushie. Yan. Then, may Zayu and number 9. Okay? Again, Zayu represents Mexico and it's a Jaguar. Sayang lang nung wala siyang tali para nagiging keychain sana. Anyway, here's the first mascot of the FIFA World Cup 2026. The second mascot is Maple. Yan. So here's Maple representing, sa tingin nyo, what country? Wait, check ko lang ulit. So Maple is from, or I mean representing Canada. So yan. O, nakpan ko na yung mukha ko. So here's Maple. Again, Maple is a moose representing Canada. And yan, here's a closer look. Ganda lang, no? Yan. Bihira actually maglabas sa McDonald's ng FIFA World Cup na mga toys. Dati nakalimutan ko yung sa China, yung Beijing Olympics. FUWA, yun. So kung marirecall niyo yung FUWA, i-flash na lang ulit dito, yung FUWA. Ang ganda rin nun. So parang ayun yung pinaka-last ko nare-recall na nilabas na McDonald's na laruan ng FIFA. And yung pinaka-favorite ko yung FIFA World Cup na yung soccer or football, yung tinitwist-twist siya. Tapos sa Lagrimes, Ronald McDonald, Verdi, si Hamburglar yung toy. Grabe. And the last mascot from this set is Clutch. Yan. Clutch is a bald eagle representing USA. Yan. Ang ganda, no? Here. Don't you worry, highlighters, ha? Eventually, mag-i-improve tayo ng mga camera and mga gamit natin for vlog. Since napansin niyo naman ngayon, may mic na tayo, di ba? Uy! Yan, di ba ganda rin? Yan. Unfortunately, wala sa Philippines. And alam nyo ba, there are a total of 23 Squishmallows to collect worldwide. But sa Philippines, nilabas lang is 12. And I got 3 from the other countries. So, meaning may 15 na ako and still missing 8. Yan. And let's go na sa Philippines release. So, here's the Calico Cat. Yan. Same lang pala yung tag niya, o diba? And representing number 1. So, walang country. I'm not sure kung what country ito, but baka matagalan tayo mag-search. So, basta yan. Kayo na lang mag-search. And for the second Squishmallows, it's Naya. Yan. It's NYA, pero hindi naman siya niya. So, it's Naya na lang. Para mas social. Uy! So, Naya is what? Tingin nyo. So, tara, let's make this exciting. So, hulaan nyo what animal or what object or fruits or anything na nire-represent nung Squishmallow. Yun na lang para mabilis tayo. So, Naya is yan, dali, guess na. 3, 2, 1. O, sabihin ko na. It's a leopard. Okay? Yan. So, I did the research naman. Okay? So, lahat ng sasabihin ko is correct na. Yan, hindi ko na siya hinulaan. Okay? So, to be fair enough. Okay? So, yan. 1 down. Fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth na. Fifth thing na pakita natin. Here's the sixth one. Here's Maui. And of course, super familiar sa atin ni Maui since lagi siyang present sa nire-release na McDonald's Philippines na Squishmallows. And Maui is a pineapple. Okay. O, hindi natin nakapagbilang. Hopefully, nahulaan nyo. Yan. And the next one is here's Olma. Yan. Olma is a 3, 2, 1. Olma is a cat, which is a strawberry cat. Yan. Cat naman siya, pero strawberry pattern lang, di ba? Cute but weird. Yan. Cute naman siya. Yon. Pero mas cute for me si Kaliko. Huwag ka magtampo, Olma. Pero cute naman din since I like red. Yeah. Okay. Then next up, yan. For sure, mahirapan kayo dito. Yan. Mali rin yung guess ko nung una eh. And here's Benny. Yan. And Benny, in 3, 2, 1. Tingin nyo, sino si Benny? Diba? Actually, ito yung pinaka-nice na sa lahat kasi ang ganda ng texture niya. Diba? Medyo floppy or pluck or hairy. What do you call that one? Yan. Anyway, what's your guess? Ano siya? Monkey ba hula nyo? No, it's not a monkey. It's a Bigfoot. Yan. Kaya meron siyang paa dito. Diba? O, yan. Uy! Nako, ilang points na kayo? And next one. Here's Barella. Yan. So, Barella, yan. Dapat correct ha. Dapat yung exact term for this one. Ha? So, Barella is in 3, 2, 1. Barella is a betta fish. Yan. Marami kasi fish. Yeah, tama kayo. Pero it's a betta fish. Okay? Yee. Maigpit po ang nyo kaya, professor. So, wrong spelling wrong. Uy! Ang kulang hula, mali. Uy! So, here's boil. Hindi naman siya boyless or boil. So, boil, obviously, is in 3, 2, 1, is a bat. Yan. Boil is, wala siya last time. Though meron bat doon, but it's Zubat kasi. So, iba siya. Okay? Yan. So, just a trivia lang. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more to go. Next one here is Debra. Madali lang to. Hopefully, alam nyo to. Yan. Debra is in 3, 2, 1. A capybara. Uy. Cute. And, sige. Ihuli natin yung medyo hard ulit. So, next up, here's Gordon. And Gordon is of course, medyo obvious na siya. It's a shark. Diba? Baby shark. Yan. Next. Uy. Nako, medyo mahirap yung tatlong to. Yan. Then, next up, here's Lindsay. And Lindsay is 3, 2, 1. May guess na kayo? Lindsay is cheetah. Yan. So, nakita niyo naman yung pattern, di ba? So, that's the difference of cheetah and leopard. Okay? Alam niyo na, ha? So, hindi siya tiger. So, last two. Yan. Medyo mahirap to. Yan. Dolan. Yan. Actually, hindi ko siya nahulaan dati nung chinek ko lang siya. Ano ba to? Sabi ko. Mukha kasing isda. Uy. Pero looking forward, mahulaan niyo kung ano siya. Yan. So, in 3, 2, 1, reveal ko na, Dolan is a dinosaur. Uy! And last but not the least, here's Winnie. Oh, hula na, guess. Dali. Check natin kung mahulaan nyo. Mali rin ang hula ko dito nung una. So, Winnie is in 3, 2, 1. Hindi siya seal. It's a walrus. Diba? Medyo mahirap siya. Yan. Ano? Dali. Out of 9. 9 na lang. Ay, hindi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh. Out of 11, since si Kaliko cut is nasabi ko na, hindi ko na siya sinama. O, ilang score nyo? Dali. Oh, anyway, that's fun, diba? Anyway, ako naman maglalaro this time. So, let's scan the QR code. Yan. And let's check anong game ang meron. And looking forward, it's a football. Diba? But before we proceed sa paglaro ng virtual game, syempre, sabihin na muna natin kung sino pinaka-favorite natin for the cup. Of course, nasabi ko naman na kanina, ang pinaka-third favorite ko, diba, top 3 talaga, si David Beckham. Second is si Son. And the first one, of course, it's Grimace. Kaya actually, mas mabilis si Grimace sa lahat ng cup. Diba? Kasi hindi tayo familiar. At bira sa atin yung naglalaro ng football. But I'm a fan of football actually. And for the mascot, hindi ko na isasama yung mascot, ha? Since wala naman sa Philippines. Since I love this tree. Wait, natakpan si Zayu. Ganda, di ba? Yan. So, for the Philippines release na lang. So, my top 3 fave na lang. Sige, wait. Medyo nahirapan ako this time. So, my top 3 fave is Cam. Yan, top 3. Si Cam, the Calico Cat. Okay. Then, second one. Uy, sino kaya? Wait lang, medyo nalilito ako. Medyo nahirapan ako for this one. Si Gordon, the short. And my top fave among the rest. Actually, I like sino to? Si Barella. The, what do you call this one? The betta fish. And I like this bat or boil. But, mas unique kasi to for this set. It's Benny, the Bigfoot. At kakaiba siya. Diba? So, yan. O kayo highlighter, sino favorite nyo? Kindly comment down below lang, ha? Yan, okay. So, tara. Let's scan na the QR code. So, let's start playing the game yan. Okay, so, again, you just need to scan the QR code sa tag yan. Then, proceed sa website. So, yun. Hopefully, marinig nyo siya. Kasi nakadikit sa akin yung mic. So, let's play. And play the game. Nice, right? Nice. So, let's play. Buti na naabutan pa natin. So, pick a player. So, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So, yan. Ito lang kasi sa Philippines. Since gusto natin si Benny, so let's choose Benny this time. And let's warm up. So, ang gagawin is, so left and right lang tama, no? Left, right. Dapat maka-goal siya, syempre. Tapos ito yung pipindutin nyo para ma-shoot. Oops! Yun, ang nice! Oh, warm up complete. So, start tournament. Ang cool pala nito. Ang saya laruin. Wait lang, inayos ko lang yung mic. Yan. Hopefully naririnig ko siya. So, it's Benny versus Cam. So, oops. Mahirap. Parang mahirap to. Yan, dapat magkaroon siya ng space para bago natin i-kick. Wait lang I think, pwede pala humarap. Very wrong. Yan. Siyempre, dapat hindi tayo tatama. Oops. Wala nakatakot. Oops. Shoot! Yay! Goal! Kasi pag sinipa nyo siya agad, 'di ba? Yan, quarterfinals. Yay! Goal! Golden Boot sa semifinal. The quarterfinal, the semifinal. Here we go. Semifinal na tayo. Versus Maui na. Naku, mas mahirap. Yay! And the final round. Wait nga, sorry for the camera ha. Talaga siya, gumagalaw. So, palitan ko nga next time yan. Para hindi ma-interrupt yung pag-vlog natin. Anyway. Side tayo. Ay! Yay! And of course, we've won! Yeah. Here's the trophy for the FIBA World Cup 2026. Yan. Pasensya na kung medyo magulo kanina yung pag-video habang naglalaro tayo since medyo magulo din tong holder ko. So, palitan ko nga next time para hindi tayo ma-interrupt. Anyway, we're done showing you all the FIBA World Cup collection from McDonald's Philippines, and sad to say that's all for now. And hopefully mag-follow kayo highlighters, and hope to see you again on the next highlight. That's all for now. Bye! Malapit na yung next McDonald's na toys. Uy!